Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and to answer a couple of questions concerning 21H1's stability and should you move there, because a lot of people see me, doing videos of the latest versions of Windows 10, and, they tend to think, well, should I go there or should I not? Should I wait? Remember that here on this channel, what I always say to everyone concerning Windows 10s and the builds and all of that. So there's the insider side to Windows 10 and there's the regular consumer side. I always tell you to stay wherever you are. And if you are on the latest version of Windows 10 right now, which is the October 2020 update, or 20H2, that's where you should be. And a lot of you have been asking me, because some of you are curious and saying, well, is it that stable? Is that safe to use? I haven't personally run into any problems with the first build of 21H1. But, one of the major reasons, two major reasons I would say that you should not move here unless you really feel like you want to be part of the insiders. First of all, stability could change. You never know, because this is, remember, this is a beta, insider beta ring software. That means it's test. We are testing. That means technically it's not impossible that a future update to this creates problems, because that's the reason why it's being tested. And that's the reason why, first of all, I would say to all of you watching that, I want to be at the latest, greatest version all the time, to stay put wherever you are and not go here. Let me do the testing. I'm there for that. The other thing also that I would stress out here is that moving from the October 2020 update to version 21H1 to the first version of this year that is eventually going to come in a couple of months, it doesn't add or change anything. There's no new features you're going to test here. There's nothing new that you'll be able to look at. This is pretty much, for the most part, exactly the same thing that you already have right now in the October 2020 update. There's no feature that I can go here and check out and say, hey, this is new, and that you can't see in the October 2020 update. That might change eventually, but for now, there's really nothing different. So you'd be moving on not only to a beta software that is a test, you'd be moving on to something that doesn't offer anything new at the same time. So, that's why I do not tell anybody to move here, because frankly, it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Some of you are, of course, getting, updates, like some of you are in the May 2020 update. You see the update to the October, but feel that you want to stay to the May 2020 update for now. That's fine. I mean, you'll go there when you go there. And for those that don't see the October 2020 update, for example, it doesn't matter. As long as your computer is on a supported version, that's the important thing. And that's why I always say, your computer works and it does what you want to do, that's fine. That said, yes, I know that some of you might like to see some new stuff and some different stuff. Well, you can become an insider, a Windows insider for that, and that will give you that possibility. But remember that going to the Windows insider side is a possibility of having problems. And, on my insider channel, I see people constantly saying, well, I got a blue screen or green screen, or got a problem, I got freezes with the latest build and so on. Because insiders are testing, and that's the reason why it exists. So stay put where you are, and I don't recommend anybody move to 21H1 Not until I actually will post a video that's going to say, hey, it's officially released. You can, if you want, move on to the new version of Windows. For now, just stay where you are. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.